This channel is not made for kids. None of the videos on this channel are made for kids. This is for adults, adult collectors, hobbyists, and enthusiasts. I like kids. Kids are great. This channel is not made for them. Adult supervision is encouraged. Thank you very much.
Well, hey there, and how are you today? My name is Carla. I'm an adult doll collector, and you're in my hangout. And today we're in the park because I think a park is a perfect place to have a birthday party. Which is perfect because Miniverse came out with a Make It Mini birthday capsule. I was able to find these at my local Walmart. They're just new out. This is Series 1. And here is the UPC if you want to order it yourself. So you have a dinosaur theme, I guess a rainbow theme, and tropical theme. I'm down for the tropical theme. I'm telling you right now. Now, I thought at first I was going to be able to be smart and look at the sides and decide, figure out what's in them. However, no, because you have a combination of all of them. So there's no joy there. Then I thought, well, for sure I could figure this out by looking for pinpricks, right? I would be wrong. There might be some with pinpricks out there. However, there are none that I could find anyway, on this capsule, anywhere. So I'm left with having to open them and see what's inside. So let's get started. And since with the new resin that's out, all the new capsules say, well, new. And we're about to get visited by Catzilla again. Gandhi, go. Go on, Gandhi, go on. Go on. Puppy, you are, no, Gandhi, you don't need to smack the dog. Are you laughing?
Mm-hmm. So the dog instantly was like, I'm gonna help.
Yep. No, Gandhi. Okay. For those of you who are hoping Gandhi would make an appearance again, well, he's making up for all the days he's missing by being here right now. However, I do kind of want him to go away for now, so go, Gandhi. You have things you can get into. Go check them out. Go on. Go see something else. Go pick on someone. You have sisters and a brother. Go pick on them. They're all your own size. Or you can bathe, or you can groom yourself right there. Thank you, Gandhi. Okay, so anyway, let's get this capsule opened. Let's make some tropical birthday treats now. So what do we have in here? I'm going to move this table over here. And we have... Now, for those of you who have not caught a previous video, when you open up one of these capsules, you come with a table. This capsule has a yellow base and this really pretty pink tabletop. And to cure your what you've made, you're going to put the bottom of the table into here. One of these will come in one of the packages. You'll put that in here. Then you'll put this on here with your creation inside, and you will set it in the sun for about 10 to 20 minutes. But now, let's see what's in here. Okay, well, this looks like, I think we're going to have the donuts then. Ooh, look at those. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is donuts. In these capsules, you'll also find a book of instructions in English, French, and Spanish. This explains how to handle the resin, different safety tips, and tips for curing it. It's a good thing to read if you're unfamiliar with how to handle it. We'll also have your collector's guide. And this is Miniverse. This is Miniverse Make It Mini Birthday Series 1. And it will have 12 recipes. In a previous video, we made these 3 recipes. And in this video, I think we're making these 2 recipes. I think. We'll find out, but I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is a donut, so we're definitely making this one. Oh, how fun. I love pineapple. Oh, that actually is making me hungry. But anyway, since I can't eat what I'm actually making here, but let's get to it anyway. So it looks like we're going to be making some pineapple donuts. So let's get to it. Right, so, oh, here we go. This is so neat. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. A little decorative, actual decorative tabletop. You have got to be kidding me. Oh my gosh. That is awesome. Okay, let's get the rest of this opened up now. So, let's see. We will have a... Oh, look at this pretty tray. That's a pretty... Oh, I love this color. And of course, I love the whole tropical print as well. Another series that I'm really enjoying already. So let's open this up. And what do we have in here? We have some, of course, tongs. There we go. All right, and now we have some, oh, some white chocolate chips. Woohoo. Okay. Then we have some donut toppers. Okay. All right. And in here we have it's going to be the glaze. So we have the spout. And this one is going to be glaze, Sunny Days glaze. All right. Is that all of it? Let's see. What's all supposed to be in here? So it says, yep, okay, all right. We can do this. Here are the directions back here. Right there. Okay. The donuts. I might have gone a little overboard on this one, but if I was making it for me, I would go with more white chocolate and nuts and things because, you know, reasons. So here's our first one done. All right, now let's see what's in this one. Okay, so we have some coasters. Looks like palm tree fronds or fern palms. Okay. We have a bag of ice and some raspberries and pineapple slices. Ooh. And in here we have a couple of straws, so it's the drink. Okay. Is that really delicious looking one, I wonder? And of course, our tongs. Okay, so, oh, aren't these pretty? Look at these. Oh, very, very pretty. Ooh, yeah. I know, I'm sorry. I like this kind of thing. C.F.R. Here we have some juice. Okay. Any spouts? Nope. All right. Okay, so it's 2 coasters. I think. Yep. That is too cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. Oh my goodness. That's awesome. Don't mind the chocolate sprinkles in the grass here. Yeah. We're going to pretend those aren't there, okay? Yeah. All right, so now what do? We're going to check our directions. Okay, so we're making this one tropical drinks. Kind of self-explanatory. All right. All right. Yep, so we put the... All right. I think even I can figure this out. And as I've been saying, the resin has been easier to get out now. We used to have to warm it up. It doesn't need to be warmed up anymore that I'm aware of. drinks. Okay. All right. They look delicious. Okay, well, this was obviously a very short video because I only had the 2 capsules for the tropical party stuff. But this looks so delicious to me. Oh my goodness. I love pineapple. I like white chocolate. I like fruit and raspberry, and yeah, this is my kind of jam. So we got to make tropical drinks. Okay, there you go, and pineapple donuts, and they look so good. They really do. Okay, but anyway, yeah. Now I'm gonna want to go out and have I want a pineapple now. Ah, dear. These things, I can't make these things without wanting food. Does anyone else have that trouble? Tell me I'm not the only one. But anyway, on that note, now if you like this video, please hit like. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much for being a subscriber. And if you're not a subscriber, why don't you become a subscriber? I have a subscribe button here on this side. It's red, it says subscribe. You just have to, boop, just dip. And then you're a subscriber, and my subscribers are the best people in the world. I love my subscribers. They make me very happy. Comment down below. If you take the time to comment, I will take the time to answer. And let me know what you think of these. Did you have one you like better than the other? And I'm sure some of you have tips, and you know what? I like getting tips from you guys. That's how I learn. I'm good with that. So definitely comment down below. Sharing is caring, and since this is a new series out, there's people who are going to be seeing these in the stores and wondering what they're about. So go ahead and share this video with someone so they can see how easy they are, how much fun they are, and just how delicious they are when they are done. And you know what? On that note, I think I'm going to let you go. So no matter what time of day it is, whether it's morning, noon, or night, I do hope it's fantastic because you deserve fantastic things. And I'm out of here, so goodbye.